Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make hot chocolate at home. It's not too sweet, so it's perfect for me. Now let's get into the recipe. For this hot chocolate, I've taken 360 ml of milk, 1 to 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, a pinch of salt, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar and 60 grams of chocolate. First step is to whisk cornstarch with half a cup of milk. Let's keep this aside. Now to a small saucepan add sugar, cocoa powder, salt and the rest of the milk. Combine. Whisk and bring it to a simmer. Reduce the flame to low and add in a cornstarch mixture. And cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now add in our chopped chocolates. Turn off the heat and whisk it for about 2 to 3 minutes until it is well combined. See, our hot chocolate is ready. Let's pour into glasses. See, very thick and creamy. And you can garnish it with whipping cream and some chocolate shavings. See, our hot chocolate is ready, just waiting for its final touching. So guys, do try it and share with me how it goes for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel. Happy cooking and stay tuned.